11 pics that prove nature always has something to show us. 1. A weasel riding a woodpecker. 2. This mantis looks like it's riding a bicycle. 3. This Mount Etna lava flow resembles a phoenix. 4. A tree coming out of an abandoned chimney. 5. Taking advantage of a nice spot. 6. What planet is this on? 7. Oleander hawk moth, rescued from my cat in South Africa. 8. Golden Himalayan mountains. 9. The Big Mac, a natural rock formation in Arizona. 10. Some birds have so-called nictitating membranes that are transparent and allow to clean and moisten the eyeball without shutting out the light. 11. The size of the hail in my state last night.